Alright, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the ChatGPT interface. So you have to go to chat.openai.com and you're going to find this website. And here you can log in or sign up. So in case you don't have a ChatGPT account or an OpenAI account, you have to sign up and they're going to ask to leave your email address and also a phone number. So just give your phone number and your email address and you're going to create your ChatGPT account. In my case, I already have a ChatGPT account and I'm going to log in. Okay, if it's your first time you're using ChatGPT, you're going to find this window. So everything is like in the first time you use ChatGPT. And right now, what we see is this interface. We see the sidebar here on the left, and then we see GPT 3.5, GPT 4, and some templates to start working with ChatGPT. So the first thing we're going to do is to use these templates, this example, these prompts that we have here to see what we can do with ChatGPT. For example, I can click on the first one, brainstorm names, and I automatically get this prompt. Brainstorm 10 names for an orange cat we're adopting from the shelter, with some nickname options as well. So this is just an example that was available in ChatGPT, and this is what we can do with ChatGPT. Basically, you give a prompt, and by the way, a prompt is just a set of instructions that you give to ChatGPT in this case. And we're gonna see that much better in more detail, but this is just a first view of what we can do with ChatGPT. And as you can see, ChatGPT gives us an answer. So it's giving us some nicknames for this cat. So we have here like 10 nicknames, and basically that's how it works. Now I can click here on new chat on the left side. So if I click here on new chat, I'm gonna get a new chat to start with ChatGPT. But before I do that, here, after we start this conversation with ChatGPT, on the left, we have a new chat. So this is the current chat in which we are right now. In this chat, by default, was named Orange Cat Name Ideas. So as you can see, ChatGPT automatically creates a chat and generates the title for this chat. In this case, Orange Cat Name Ideas. And we can edit this chat here, pressing on this button, and here I can write, for example, my first chat, and then I press on OK, and this is my new chat. We can also delete this chat, and you're gonna use that later a lot, because as you start a lot of chats with ChatGPT, this sidebar is gonna be full of many chats, and probably you're gonna delete some of them. So okay, now let's start a new chat. So I click on this button, and here we can start a new chat. So I can just press any option we have, and well, I'm gonna use this one, and here, as you can see, we start a new chat. Okay, so now something that I want to show you is that this sidebar, you can close it, you can hide it. So if I press here, now we can focus only on the conversation, on our current conversation. And also we can open the sidebar in case we want to switch to another chat. So if I want to switch to my first chat, I can press here on my first chat, and I have here the first chat that we started before, and we can continue this chat. So for example, let's imagine I don't want nicknames for my cat, but I want some nicknames for a dog. So what I can say is create nicknames for my dog. So if I say this, now ChatGPT is going to ask me some questions or just give me the answer right away, and that's how it works. So now I'm going to show you here the settings, and if you open the sidebar and you go to the corner on the left and press here on the three dots, you're gonna see these three options. So you can log out, and there is something called custom instructions, which I'm gonna show you later. But now we want to focus on settings. If you press here on settings, you're gonna see this window, and here you can change the theme of the ChatGPT interface. Right now is in dark mode, but you can change it to light mode. So now I'm going to leave it just to dark mode because I like it in that way. And you can also clear all your chats. In case you created many chats and you think none of them are going to be used in the future, you can press here, clear, and you're gonna clear all the chats that you have. So as you can see now, I don't have any chat. And sometimes I do that when I think none of the chats that I have are gonna be used in the future, or when I was just experimenting or doing some tests. But remember that all the chats are going to be lost. So if you have at least one chat that is valuable, don't do that. Don't clear all the chats. Just delete it one by one. All right, then we have data controls, and here's how you can manage your data. So if you think you're just working with sensitive data, or you don't want your data to be used for training, you can disable this, and well, you can here manage all your data. And something that is not here but is available for ChatGPT Plus subscribers. And by the way, ChatGPT Plus is the subscription of ChatGPT, which is $20 a month, and we're gonna see that later. So if you have this subscription, you're gonna have a new option, which is beta features. And this option allows you to enable premium features like GPT-4, plugins, and the code interpreter. Right now it's not here because I'm not a Plus subscriber, but if you click here on GPT-4, you're gonna see the option to upgrade to Plus. And well, you have access, as I said before, to GPT-4, faster response, and plugins and the code interpreter. I strongly recommend you to upgrade to Plus. Actually, this course, the goal of this course is to unlock GPT-4 and all the things that GPT-4 brings, like plugins and code interpreters and other things. And that's why I strongly recommend you to have a ChatGPT Plus. And something else I want to show you, and this is the last thing, is here on these three dots, there is something called custom instructions. And if we go here, you're gonna see this window. And basically what this does is give some information about yourself to ChatGPT. So ChatGPT knows something about your writing style or what is your profession, and it can give better responses based on the information that you provide. And we're gonna see this in much more detail later in this course. All right, this was a basic walkthrough on the ChatGPT interface, and we're gonna work with all the features that I showed you in this video throughout this course.